When deciding on web building software, you usually choose the one that has the most functionalities at the best prices. So you go to the market and shop around, hoping to get the ultimate platform to build your online store. A great website is not just lovely templates, but an excellent e-commerce experience, SEO, and marketing content tools. And we have the one that will offer you all of that and more. In today's video, we will compare Webflow and Squarespace, so you can have a more informed decision as to why Webflow is the one you should prefer. And we will give you significant reasons for it. So stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. Right from the start, Webflow is built from the ground up as a professional site design platform with a powerful content management system. A template-based platform like Squarespace, on the other hand, has almost nothing to add to the debate. Therefore, if you're looking to construct anything on your website or online business, Webflow will be your ideal tool. First, let's look at some of the most significant distinctions between the two platforms. With Webflow, you can create a better site without using limiting themes or manually altering PHP to customize the style of your site. You can also design using the power of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. With the Webflow Designer, you will be able to construct your complete site in a visual canvas with a familiar degree of control and flexibility. Additionally, you can use Webflow's powerful design tools to create bespoke interactions and animations to bring your site to life. Plus, a visual content management system will allow you to develop content-driven layouts. When it comes to creating and distributing dynamic content, Webflow makes it easy. You can use Webflow's visual CMS to create a beautiful database, quickly construct templated pages for your blog and case studies, and easily integrate your material anywhere on your website using the visual editor. SEO has never been easier with Webflow. All of the content tools you'll need to provide your visitors with the answers they seek are built into Webflow sites, making them quick to load and mobile-friendly by default. To help your site rank higher in search results, Webflow includes various features designed to aid with SEO, such as built-in sitemaps and free SSL or HTTPS. Other features include dynamic meta title and description generation, out-of-the-box mobile friendliness, and auto-generated sitemaps. However, with Squarespace, you can embed merchandise into blog posts, events, and more to make your content drive sales. However, you wouldn't create distinct content kinds using Squarespace templates unless you know how to code. An excellent point on Squarespace's behalf is a solid foundation of built-in integration. In addition, the platform features powerful email and lifecycle marketing solutions that help you acquire new clients and re-engage old ones. Did you see how easy it is to build great business websites with Webflow? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy Webflow services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see how the platform creates great site experiences with Webflow. You have complete control over your checkout page design and payment options with Webflow on the buyer's side. In addition, you'll have full control over the cart layout and be able to design compelling cart experiences with robust positioning and animation options. On the site owner side, there is an overall tie. Both platforms provide an easy-to-use content management system. It's simple for site owners to manage operations on both platforms because they have identical connectors and simple fulfillment tools that are easy to use. When you connect to Webflow, you'll see all of your open orders straight away, and you can add and update products right from the product page. Automate the printing of shipping labels by integrating Zapier with ShipStation. ShipStation's connection with Squarespace allows you to print mailing labels automatically and receive real-time shipping rates from USPS and FedEx. You can make payments using Stripe and PayPal on both platforms, but Squarespace's integration with Square may give it an edge. Start building websites for your business using Webflow by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers. And don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.